This is Patrick Hinson's Signal Flow project, and what we're going to do is we're going to start off by hitting play on the CD player that's on the floor here. So we're going to hit play. Okay. Now we're going to create a new song in the HD24. So we're going to do a new song. Create a new song, yes. Sample rate 48. 24 tracks. And there we go. Got a new song. Now we're going to arm the channels. And then we're going to put channels channels 1 and 2 up to get a signal up in our HD24. Turn up the preamps. Okay. So we're getting a good signal. Now we're going to record a minute of this. So I'm going to hit record and play at the same time. And it's recording. There's a minute. So we're going to stop CD player. Okay. Now it's stopped. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put our tracks into mix mode. So what we have to do is we have to push IP rev and line for both channel 1 and 2. And we have to push left right for both channels. Okay, we're going to turn up our master fader. Take these off. Unarm the channels. And we're going to locate 0 and we're going to hit play. Oops, didn't have volume up. Okay. So, now, what we have to do is we have to how to solo one of the tracks is we hit this gray button right here. That's for track 1. That's track 2. So now we'll mute track 1. Got rid of the bass. Now mute track 2. Okay. Now we'll boost the high frequencies on one track. I will choose this second track of drums here. We'll hit the EQ in and then turn up the highs. You hear it get a lot more. Oops. Locate 0, hit play. You hear it got a lot more. The high frequencies went up. So I'm going to set those back down to noon. And then we're going to reduce the high frequencies. So we'll cut them like this, turning them completely off. You definitely tell the difference when you do that. Okay. Now, next up is boosting the low frequencies. So we'll take the basses. Oops. fix all of that. We put EQ in. There's our low end boosted, and now we'll cut it. Gets a little quiet because it's pretty much a lot of low end. Okay. Set this back to noon. Now, next up is how to compress a track. So, what we do is, don't know how to show this best. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a pass cable and we're gonna go out from our HDMI out 1, and we're gonna go into compress comp A1 in 1. Okay, and then we're gonna go comp A1 out, and it's gonna go into tape in. You hear a big difference in volume there. So now we're gonna take our threshold up. We're gonna put our output gain up to 0, and that's actually for the expander. So we're gonna compress. In order to compress, we take this threshold here that's above the compressor section, and we're gonna put the ratio at 1 to 3, or 3 to 1, I mean. Okay. There we go. We're getting some lights here going out to about 6 decibels of compression. So then after compression, we have to do, I think it's gate. Yes, a noise gate to the other track. So track 2, we're going to put a noise gate on it. So we're going to go the same thing, HD24 out 2 into comp A1 in 2, comp A in 2, sorry. And then we're going to go comp A out 2, and we're going to go into tape in 2. Okay. And you can hear it. And put the ratio at 3 to 1. Still gotta put the output gain up. You can hear how much bleed. Further you turn it up, the less bleed you get. So this is a more, it just sounds more strict. It sounds without all that room noise. Okay, and then how to add delay. So we'll try and add delay here to this second one here. We have to turn up our auxiliary 3 and 4, and we've got to turn up FX 1 and 2. We have to turn our lexicon on and make sure it's on the delay. Location. Okay, so we're going to change it to a delay here. Okay, so now we turn up aux 3. Oops, that was 2. Oh, here we go. Let's try a different. Let's try that. Let's try this effect. There we go. Can't have it soloed. Okay, so there's all your delay effects. So that's nice. Okay, and now we're gonna stop it, and we're gonna delete the song. So hit delete song. Yes, I want to delete it. I am sure. And that is my project. Thank you for watching.